What I would definitely do is consult with the DUI lawyer located in Marin County if you get arrested for drunk driving in Marin County. Do you have to hire one the next day? No, but you should hire one very soon. There is so much going on here with your constitutional rights and with your driving rights and liberties and your future that it is so important to get proper legal advice and have someone who does this every day, all day, take care of it. Finding someone who just does DUI defense and is very experienced here, very knowledgeable in how the law works with the courts, with the DMV, what's up with your driver's license, what's up with your constitutional rights. Protecting your rights is so important. And this is just not something you should mess around with. I can't tell you how many times someone has come to me after getting a first DUI, maybe when they get a second DUI and say, God, I wish I had hired a lawyer, or I wish I hired you, Mr. Bortel, to represent me the first time. And, in a lot of those cases, what may have happened if they had hired a lawyer or hired me is they may have gotten a better result. Not every time, but, you've got to try, because your future for employment, for all sorts of different things, for professional licenses, travel to Canada, the list goes on and on. Your credit can be affected, getting loans. There are so many different things. So many employers look at this stuff, graduate schools, colleges, just everyone. When you're trying to rent an apartment, these things are out there. Your criminal record is looked at. Your DMV record is looked at. On a criminal record, the stuff can stay there unless you get it expunged for life. And then still some of it may still show up depending on who's looking. And for DMV purposes, this stuff, stays on your record for 10 years. And DUIs are priorable for 10 years. So if you get another one within 10 years, you're facing a second offense with much greater penalties. The other issue, one of the things that people don't always talk about, but insurance. Insurance, you will either get dropped or rates will go up or they'll go through the roof. There's a lot of financial help that an attorney can give you. You make a small investment in an attorney, which can be a huge investment in, financial savings and the rest of your life. So get a lawyer. Don't mess around with this. Spend a little bit today to save a lot later on. And we're not just talking about money here.